Congratulations and welcome to the complete Adobe Photoshop CC Masterclass. My name is Joe Paris, but my co-teacher, Jack Cole, is going to take you through the rest of the tutorials. Now, Jack is an expert when it comes to Photoshop. He's done an incredible job, and together we've leveraged our skill sets to bring you this content. Now, before we get started, there's a few things I wanted to alert you to before Jack takes over. First off, if you have any questions, feel free to post them in our course question and answer section. I've received the Lightning Responder badge for quickly answering student questions. Most of the time, I'll be able to answer your questions within 24 to 48 hours. Also, you may be prompted for a review within the first 10 minutes of our course. As your instructors, we always greatly appreciate your feedback, and if you enjoy the course, feel free to post your review. If for any reason this course is not meeting your expectations, feel free to send us a message directly or post in our Q&A section. Lastly, we wanted you to know that this course comes with downloadable resources, exercises, quizzes, and special bonuses. Now, the resources will be attached to every individual lecture, but I have organized everything for you guys in a Dropbox folder in our very next lecture. So make sure to download all of those resources because Jack is going to start this course with a mini lesson. That's right, you're going to get started right away building and creating a really cool effect in Photoshop. Thanks again for enrolling in our course. We can't wait to get started. Go ahead, download all the downloadable resources in our next lecture, and we'll see you in our first mini lesson.